tutorial. As you know, the Valentine's Day is near, so I have come up with a new canvas art. So let us come forward and see how can we prepare our Valentine's canvas art. The materials required in preparing our this tutorial are: we need our 3 types of brushes, which are flat brushes, number 8, number 4 and number 14. That's 4, 8 and 14. A big brush as such, palette, 2 sponges for giving the circular effect as these, a nail pointing tool, your acrylic paints, black, white if you can use titanium white, hot red or lava red with some orange touch, which is a mixture, not too orange but a mixture of orange and red together. All the materials have been provided to me by the art mall and the canvas also. So let us come forward and see the first step in preparing our DIY Valentine's canvas art. Over here that we have drawn this beautiful canvas art for the Valentine's Day. Hope that you have liked watching this tutorial, and we have given a very nice shiny look also to it, and it's a very nice gift or a very nice wall hanging in your home for this Valentine's Day art. So finally, thanks for watching the video.